2009 Honda CRF 70F. Picked it up on our local Craigslist ad. Got a really good deal on it because the prior owner really didn't know how to take care of it. Had to just change the spark plug, clean out the air filter, totally broke down the carb, and put some new gas in it. Everything's running perfectly. Got a great deal on it. Just added a BBR skid plate, and then now I'm going to look at putting on a little power tip exhaust. See how that goes. I was looking at those FMF core exhausts, but they're way too expensive. Okay, let's see what this sounds like. Got it on eBay. Pretty good deal. It's like 30 bucks. Comes with some screws, the power tip, and a spark arrestor screen. So it looks like billet aluminum. Got 8mm screw. From 3D Power Tips. Pull this baby off. A little clean. Number 4 Allen key screwed in. Nice and snug. Good. Okay, all of 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see what it sounds like.